If you run a shop in Colorado Springs, search is not just 10 blue links anymore. Someone in Briargate still types a problem into Google and calls one of the first three names they see. That map pack still gets the call. But more often now, an AI overview sits at the top and tries to answer before anyone clicks. People also ask ChatGPT and tools like it who to call. Those systems do not invent a plumber in Security Widefield or a dentist near the Broadmoor. They pull from what they can find: your Google business profile, your website, your videos, your posts. If that material is thin, messy, or missing, your competitor gets named instead of you. This is a plain talk about AI and local SEO. What it is not, how a Colorado Springs business can actually use it without getting burned. First, AI is not a ranking button. Nobody can type a prompt and lock number one in the map pack. Google still looks at real signals. Are you open? Do you serve this city? Is your name, address, and phone number the same everywhere? Do people review you recently? Does your site talk about the work you actually do? AI does not replace that. It sits on top of it. Second, AI is a drafting tool. It is fast at first drafts. It is bad at knowing whether your truck actually covers fountain, or whether you still offer tankless water heaters, or whether last month's hours are still true. If you publish whatever it writes without checking, you train Google and AI on the wrong story. That hurts you. Here is how search is splitting for a local shop. The map pack is still the emergency button. Burst pipe, dead furnace, cracked tooth, water in the basement. They want a name and a phone number now. If you are not in those three pins, I will not save you that night. Then there is the AI answer. Google is putting overviews at the top of a lot of searches. Those overviews try to summarize who does what and where. They pull from profiles, pages, videos, and posts that all say the same true things. One story, many places. That is the material. Then there is ChatGPT and similar tools. Someone cooking in their kitchen, hands dirty, asks out loud for a roofer who is open and has good reviews. If those systems cannot find a clear Colorado Springs footprint for you, they name whoever they can. So the work is still local SEO. AI just made the cost of being invisible higher. Now, what can you actually use AI for today without turning your site into junk? Use it to draft service pages, then you edit. A page for emergency plumber in Colorado Springs should sound like a shop that has been in crawl spaces, not like a national blog. Name the city, name the neighborhoods you actually serve. Briargate, Old Colorado City, Falcon. Do not list 50 towns you cannot reach by lunch. I will happily invent service areas, cut those, use it to turn one real job into a useful page. Kitchen remodel in the Broadmoor, water extraction in Security Widefield, furnace swap in Rockrimmon. You give it the facts. It gives you a first draft. You keep the truth and throw out the fluff. Use it for Google business profile posts, weekly posts that say what you did, where you did it, and that you are open. A quiet profile looks closed. I can draft the post. You add a real photo from the job. You hit publish. That is the difference between a draft and a listing that looks alive. Use it for Q&A on the profile. People ask if you offer financing, evening hours, or same-day service. Draft answers, check them. Publish only what is true. Use it to reply to reviews, not fake reviews, real ones. A short thank you that names the service, not a copy-paste paragraph that could belong to any business in America. Google notices recency, and that a human is answering AI can speed the draft. You still hit send. Use it for titles and descriptions, not keyword stuffing. A title that matches what someone in Colorado Springs actually typed. Meta descriptions that ask them to call, not a lecture. You pick the one that sounds like you. Use it for FAQ ideas, the questions customers already ask on the phone. Then put those answers on the site in plain English. That helps people, and it gives AI cleaner material to quote. Use it for alt text on photos. Describe the photo. Do not hide a paragraph of keywords under a picture of a van. Use it to group searches. Emergency versus planned. Residential versus commercial. Colorado Springs versus a neighborhood name. That helps you see which pages you still need instead of writing 20 blogs nobody asked for. Use it for video. This is a big one. You do not have to be on camera. A long video about your service and your city, and a short with a clear next step posted to YouTube gives Google and AI more to work with. Casey writes and produces those from the work you already do. YouTube is required because those videos tend to show up in Google and they feed AI extra information about what you do and where you do it. Facebook and Instagram are optional. If you have pages, extra posts there help the same story show up in more places. Use it to brief yourself before you write. Paste your real hours, services, cities, and a few jobs you actually did, then ask for a first draft. If you skip that step, AI guesses. Guessing is how you get a page that says you serve Denver when your truck lives in Colorado Springs. Use it to clean up your Google Business Profile Services list. Categories and services should match what you actually sell. AI can suggest names from what customers type. You still delete anything you do not do. Use it to write photo captions and file names that describe the job. A photo of a water heater in a Briargate garage should say that, not IMG_4000. Google and AI both read those words. Use it to suggest internal links. A drain page should point to the sewer page. The Colorado Springs page should point to the neighborhoods you actually cover. AI is decent at spotting missing links. You still click them yourself, so nothing 404s. Use it to draft a simple questions and answers block, the ones people already ask on the phone, evening hours, same day. Do you work with military families? Do you serve Fountain? Put the true answers in a list on the page. That is cleaner material for AI overviews to quote than a fluffy blog. Use it to compare what you say versus what shows up when you search your own shop. Search plumber near me from a phone that is not on your Wi-Fi. Search dentist in Colorado Springs. Search your trade plus ChatGPT in a new window. Write down who gets named. If it is not you, the fix is still the profile, the pages, and the videos. AI just showed you the gap faster. That is the honest list. Drafting, grouping, speed checking, not magic. Here's how a Colorado Springs owner should actually run it week to week. Pick one source of truth. Your real name, address, phone, hours, services, and cities. Put that on the profile and the website first. If AI writes something that disagrees with that, the AI is wrong. Once a week, publish something true, a profile post, a photo, a review reply, a short update. I can draft it in minutes. You spend 5 minutes making sure it is accurate. Once a month, look at the pages that should exist for how people search. If you do drain cleaning in Colorado Springs and that page is generic, fix it. If you never mention a town because you do not work there, do not let AI add it. Do not buy a package of 200 AI blog posts. That is yesterday's trick with a new coat of paint. Thin pages about nothing do not make the phone ring. They can even make you look like a mill. Do not use AI to write fake reviews or fake case studies. That is a fast way to get trusted by nobody, including Google. Do not let AI change your phone number format on half the internet. Name, address, and phone have to match. Doubt kills map pack rankings. AI is sloppy about that unless you lock the facts. Do not guarantee yourself page 1 because a chatbot sounded confident. Rankings move. We do not promise page 1. We keep the profile, the site, and the videos working so you have more chances to show up. If you do nothing, you are not staying even. Your competitor is feeding the same AI systems more recent reviews, cleaner pages, and more video. The gap gets wider. Inertia is regression. The shops that will get found in Colorado Springs are the ones that do 3 things together: a complete Google business profile, website pages that match what you do and where you do it, and videos that name the service and the city. AI reads that package. It does not replace it. At Casey's SEO, that is the get found work month to month. Most shops start on visible. You do not film. We write, voice, and post. YouTube required. Facebook and Instagram optional. If you want a clear look at what Google and AI currently show for your shop in Colorado Springs, tell us what you do and where you do it. Call 719-639-8238. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to caseysSEO.com.